Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about what is maintenance in manufacturing. Let's jump right into it. In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, keeping the machines humming is crucial. That's where maintenance comes in. It's the glue that holds production together. But what exactly does maintenance in manufacturing entail? Maintenance is the practice of caring for the physical assets used in production, ensuring they operate at peak efficiency and minimize downtime. It's a comprehensive strategy that encompasses several key areas. Preventive maintenance. This proactive approach focuses on preventing problems before they occur. It involves regular inspections, lubrication, adjustments, and part replacements based on a schedule or equipment usage. Preventive maintenance helps catch minor issues before they snowball into major breakdowns. Corrective maintenance. This is the reactive side of the equation, addressing problems that have already arisen. It involves troubleshooting, repairs, and replacements to get equipment back up and running as quickly as possible. Predictive maintenance. This cutting-edge approach leverages data analysis and sensor technology to predict equipment failure. By monitoring things like vibration or temperature fluctuations, predictive maintenance allows you to schedule interventions before breakdowns occur, optimizing maintenance resources. Benefits of effective maintenance. Reduced downtime. Proper maintenance keeps machines operational, minimizing disruptions to production schedules and ensuring timely delivery of goods. Improved equipment lifespan. By catching problems early and preventing wear and tear, maintenance extends the life of your equipment, reducing long-term replacement costs. Enhanced product quality. Well-maintained equipment produces consistent, high-quality products, minimizing defects and customer dissatisfaction. Safer work environment. Regular maintenance helps identify and address potential safety hazards associated with malfunctioning equipment. Reduced overall costs. While proactive maintenance requires an initial investment, it saves money in the long run by preventing costly breakdowns and production delays. Effective maintenance in manufacturing is not just a box-ticking exercise, it's a strategic investment. By implementing a comprehensive maintenance plan that combines preventive, corrective, and potentially predictive approaches, manufacturers can ensure smooth operation, optimize production efficiency, and achieve long-term success. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.